Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's video. Survival special. And guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us to see amazing day like this. That's my African mom. And let me mama say hello to you guys, Mom, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Yeah, they're washing my sister's bag.
Yeah.
So for early preparation, maybe to prepare my sister early, like tomorrow then I'll go with this bag. Next day this bag will go like 1 week, and then okay mom. So guys, I'm speechless. At the same time, I don't want to tell my mom what is going on. I'm just heading outside, and I want to see my mom's reaction, guys. It's been a long time. We keep waiting, and right now the day is today, guys. So that's my house right here. See, that's how my house looks like. Very clean, man. Very clean, and I feel so comfortable what I have. And guys, to be honest, I'm trying to work here and there, so to make sure that my mom's dream house come in good shape. I love my mama, I love my family, and guys, I love you all who supporting me. Thank you a million times. May God bless you. So right now, guys, I'm closing here a little bit. So technically I'm taking you outside, and then I'm going to with my baby to maneuver around. Wow. Should I go with this bicycle, or should I go with my motorbike? I love my mountain bike, and in fact I told my brother to wash this mountain bike, so I don't want maybe my stuff to be look dirty. There's my mountain, well organized bicycle, guys. When I was a handman, when I was working with my engineer who brought the blocks here, when I get money I bought this one, and then I shocked my engineer with this stuff from Japan. If you're watching the videos from Japan, that bicycle came from Japan, all the way from abroad. Bruno, you good? Relaxing. Hey, this is my dog, man. Woo. Bruno. Hey, you're enjoying when I'm touching him. Okay, guys. Okay. Talk, arudi nyuma. So let me do one. Guys, look. This is the kind of station that we have here. And guys, welcome outside of the compound. Wow, I saw some avocados which is supposed to be ripe. Keep it inside the store and then ripe. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, super organic avocados. Also, when it's like this, it means it's not ready. When you start changing the color, you see the black stuff, it means avocados anytime it's ready to ripe them. So guys, this bottle I'm trying to look them how it behave. So I'm timing this month, only this month, guys. When it behave again, I'll buy a carabat. And for those people who ask me, hello baby, how carabat looks like, please watch my last videos. At the end you will see, guys. So wow, I'm heading to Boya Town, and I see like the weather will start changing anytime. Anytime from now, guys. Anytime, right now the weather is not good, man, that much good. That's my sister's hen right here with 2 chicks. Okay guys, as I leave home, follow these videos till the end. You might get surprised, guys. So today's videos is to surprise my African mom. I'm telling you, for real and for sure, guys. Like me, I'm not faking things. I'm showing you the reality, and my intro starts from my home. Well, that's my baby. It's something else here. Wow. Should I wash them? But I see the rain is coming. Like anytime it's gonna rain, guys, so I'm rushing to Border Town. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So we shall meet heading to Border Town, guys. Got are grazing. So I'm heading to Border Town right now, and it's a bright morning. So technically, guys, my intro starts from here, and I'm heading in Border Town to make 1, 2, 3, and then I'm supposed to pay the guy who do some work at my borehole actually. So it's $40. So right now, as I speak here, I'm on the process of heading there. You know, wow, there's the goats right here. So my baby's just over there. So guys, let's go and see. And I hope, guys, you are ready for this trip. Come along with me. Look at this goat. Improved one. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, oh my god. My baby is just dirty a little bit, but I'll sort it out. Let's go, guys. Wow. Okay. And the rain is coming. I don't know how it's going to do. Let's go. Boy. So people are building here. Wow. Let's go to Border Town. Winda. Fresh. Wow. Okay, guys, that's avocado trees right here. We flow it by to the end, you know. Okay, hello baby, fish on the control, you know, heading straight, and the Border Town just within here. Let's go. Let me park my bike here, guys, and I show you one thing, guys. You know the good thing about this place, from here I am standing to Tanzania, just within over there, and then Border Town is just over here. So when you go straight like this, you go to Tanzania. But if I have my bike right here, so today I don't want to wash them because it's muddy. Look, because that's the kind of the roads that we have here. So I want to complain, oh, this and this. Look, guys, how the sky looks like, you know. So anytime it's gonna start raining, guys, you know. So let's go and see, to have a little bit cash in Border Town, and then I sort the guy out, you know. Actually, I want to pay him 4,000 Kenyan shillings, you know. So guys, I think I showed you how things looks like, you know. I think I showed you how things looks like. Wow. Let's go. Something else, guys. No idea on these videos, you know. So if somebody work at my home and I need to pay him money, wow. Wow. Let's go, guys. Up to Border Town. Wow. By God's grace, I will manage to go to Border Town. Wow. And I'm merciful of Jesus Christ, you know, that guide me. Bwana, where you go? Okay, let's go. Alright. Guys, I think if the guy didn't come at my home, I'll take that money direct to his home right now, because I know his home, guys. So this is their behinds right now. Hey! Torai bado. Oh, tunakuhitaji chimbili. Tiambe hike boda niti.
Taina nikulikia mwisende boda.
Eh? Boda inguti tena lingi. Junko hetande hano. Na kumairi muri bichimbili chirantu pigisimo.
Oh.
Tanga nyo stage. Okay guys.
Ilikeza to muroche.
Damo pe.
Ni hapo ni nganto kuno mzungu.
Okay. Let's go. Haya. Wow, heading to Border Town straight this way. Oh my God. Okay, that's Timber Fancha right there. Guys, I look right, left, center, and then I cross the road. That's the KK or tuk-tuk right there. Hey. Let's go. The rain is coming, man. I don't know whether I can manage to reach in Border Town, but let's do it. There's upcoming restaurant right there. You see, guys, this side the rain is coming like crazy, man. So it's follow me at the back from this side. Wow. I'm still keep pushing these videos, and please guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, you know. Love is for free. Wow. On this side here, the true mining pearl right to the right. Okay. Oh my God. Ugandan car, man, right there. So look at the base quickly. Super. This is crazy. Guys, in front of me, I don't know what's happened right there. I see the conjunction of the car. But when I reach there, guys, no hiding of the camera. I'll show you. Okay. I think it's a traffic jam or traffic people, you know. But anyway, let's go. Border Town, I wanna look for the jackets because all jackets that I have, I washed them. Border Town. That's my Roman Catholic Church. Another side. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see that blocks, guys? That's what I'm dreaming, and God answer my prayers. Whoa, 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 whoa. You need a matter, you need a guy. Oh my God. Namuletea. Somebody. This stuff fall down with the car. I'll give the owner. Guys, as a good Samaritan, I need to return these sardines. Technically, it's fall from the car. Oh my God! I'm ringing him. Wow! 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 Wow, guys! Let me return these sardines to the owner. Noisy! Tena zimeanguka. Nimewaita huko, mmeangusha dagaa. Okay. Noise. Itabidi mweke kwa gari. This car fall down that side. Okay, guys, I'm heading to the border town, you know. Wow, see that tractor right there. Yeah, I returned them the sardines, man. A half of sack. Whoa, let's do this. That's crazy right there. Border town to the world. This is Border Town, guys. Wow. School bus right there. That's the KK, man. For sure, this is Border Town for you guys. You know, hey, look at that machine. Something else. What a town for you guys. Heading straight. Wow. So guys, on today's videos are very special, guys. Please comment, share and like. Okay. Wow. I'm sure you brought a thumb to the wall. Brought a thumb to the wall. Brought a thumb to the wall. Return to the one. Return to the one. Okay. Construction area, man. You know, selling of eggs on the troy right there. You know. Okay, that's the tank right there. That's how Watertown looks like. So guys, at this section, I want to have cash right now. Here. Okay guys, it's almost rain guys, you can see right here. And I'm supposed to wear the jacket guys. So this is the shop here. So I want to see the color that I want. I want the blue one. Let me see this one here. No. I don't like pink. You know, the rain jacket. I need the blue one. This one. It's good, but a small one. I need something bigger. Even to cover my body. I don't want people in tension. What gamba?
Hello.
This one is just okay guys. Sikia nishike machine. Acha tuone. Pia inaonekana vizuri. Help. Let me see this one.
Yes.
Haijazima.
Mulishazoea bana vitu vyenu. Omome. Ushira ituba. Ni hapo kule 1500 umezunguka hivi tu imeisha.
Wapi? I need this one. Guys, let me stand here. Outside here. What do you think about this one, guys? For me, just perfect. This one, American people. Okay. Mweta. Yake koma hena. Afu jacket mbali kwa mara mbili.
Hivyo ndio imetengenezwa.
Si ndio nzuri sana.
Ndani inakaa kama sweta. Alafu hii ya nje.
Afu
hii ni ya mvua ikikupiga inatereza.
Nilizoaka nyingine sura kumbuka. Kama hii tu lakini sitokana mazibini kazi.
Tunachukua sasa hata niona changanyia watu mafai.
Tuongea rafiki yangu sasa niambie bei mzuri hata na bei ya kamera.
Tunauza 700 lakini nitakufanyia 650.
Hata 500 itakuwa ni
650 mwisho.
500. Imagine mimi siwezi hama sehemu nikinua hapo sota ni hapo.
Ni hiyo bei yenye nikwambia tunauza 650 mwisho.
Tumefanyaje basi?
This one guys go to $6. But I love this jacket guys. Cha kwanza nikague. Tache nene punch. Oh, hold for me this. Show people here.
Nani?
Kuna nini huko?
Hii ni zipi.
Si mfuko.
Hii ni kuka zipi fulani tu wameitengeneza tu.
Design
yani I think za pocket. Haya. This one I'm just okay. Okay guys. Kopo. Nanasi. Patia huyu. Muita. Sijui niko na coin. Kuna coin hapa ndio mchukue nanasi.
Tununulia nanasi.
Nibaki na 20 acha nisika mazimu. Si ndo zilikuwa shika. Yeah? Hi. It's time to pay and go. Pay and go. Kini mbezi ngora azimuendu fue. Sidi ukwe. Azimuendu fue. Tachupuka ngozi. Kama kichura fulani. Hey. Yeah, I love this color. Hey. Silikipenda natoa ya ndani. Mchana natembea na hiki. Okay, they are 2 in 1. Haya mrasanti. Okay, know the business. Okay guys, I'm just over here and I'm going to surprise my mama with sugar and also cooking flour for making chapati, guys. So guys, be ready for this journey. And also I normally purchase things within here. Kwa nyoli rich, yoruga ni ngumu. Yoruga ni ngumu. Shapata senti kitamu. Okay. Siriko kama 500. Haya. Inaimba wimbo. Okay guys. Later. Si email.
Iko sawa kabisa.
Sitatula nitarudi nichukue. Sasa nina vitu mingi.
Sawa. Nitunze.
Nitarudi, acha nipeleke mzigo nirudi. Haya. Guys, I'll come later to buy some fruits there. So at this moment, guys, I'm going to make shopping for my mama. And mom, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. Mimi niko humu. Niko mtaa.
Gari kwa wapi boss?
Gari iko.
Wapi tatizo?
Kwa bora tayari.
Tata msini kule bwana. Na hivyo.
See you later, bro. Okay. I have my bike here. Got my bike right here. I need to pull it to the other side. Pull it to the other side. Okay, because I love blue stuff, man. My bike is blue. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys. Woo. Right here, and I need to buy 50 kg of the sugar and also flour, guys. And at the same time, I'm going to pay the guy who dig for me the borehole. Wow. So let's see. Benja, chap kidogo. Guys, there's the flour here. Oh man. I'm going to surprise my mama. Wow. Also, we need sugar. Benji, ina haja kufunga kweli? Wow. They will eat mandazi until December. Okay. Usijurete yenye imechemuka mbwa. Kwani sukari iko wapi? Benji. Sukari iko ni hindo sukari? Bro.
Tena nani watakusumbua?
Gani? Wewe nipe soni mra. Unaona ni Mbaki ifike 50 kg. This sugar guys right here. But it's kind of scary too. Yeah. Bad. It's beautiful. Lakini sinashika sukari chai. Unaisha? Si tunapiga mashika tar. Tenda wageuze kwa gunia. That's 50 kg. Yeah guys, we bought from Tanzania and then thank you bro. Introduce yourself.
I'm Benjamin Mudaka. Get me on Benjamin Mudaka.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm heading home and after shopping guys, so today's a combination video, paying the guy shopping. Because this sugar is from Tanzania. Right now, Kenyan sugar is somehow a little bit expensive. So you bought around $80. So probably I default for this one here. And wow, I'm heading home right now. Alright guys, I'm just back home and I didn't manage to shoot my videos while driving because I didn't tight this. Mom! Aya, takanywa bitero. Wow. Uko wapi kia ukora? Otangwa. Guys, let me cover those stuff as I'm waiting for mama. You know, it's good when we cover. Boom. Like that. Don't mind guys. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister, also that's my mama. And right now guys, me I just pull up with the shopping. So mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. May God bless you. And I buy that one, you know. Since 2 weeks back, we didn't have flour, we didn't have sugar, you know. I ran to the market buying sugar for $50. But right now, boom. And I found mama from the garden. Wating guys. The time is running. So today, for my premiere game, you get the videos, you know. Okay guys, okay. Okay. Mama unasemaje?
Thank you.
Yes guys, I'm asking mama for somebody who made it possible. How do you feel? Because that one is a lot. Hey bro, hebu say hello. And then you help mama to cut us. Yo kitu kuja hapa. Kuja. Ulemuki. Hey guys, okay, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah guys, that's my brother. So he just pulled up from school and right now I think it's lunchtime. You know, my sister's moving up and down because it shows bag of mandazi. I know you missed chapati.
Yeah.
Yes. But right now things I solved out to be okay. Oh guys, don't mind, I love blue stuff and also my bike is blue. Hey. Wow. Mama kisema kimevuma kama bad. I see also my brother just pull up with my bike, riding. Okay, guys, you know. That's my brother. Right now it's meet my brother from this side here. Hey, mangu ngurore har. Ugi ngure hai manda tori naru tike. To kuma ngure han. Nongo te so kano acho ke tom tebi iri kuru. Atem fungi bi asara be. Come you say hello before you go. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, you good?
Yeah.
How was everything?
I was fine.
Where you from? Where do you came from?
I'm from Yabons.
Yeah, you're enjoying riding the bicycle? Yeah, I think this is the best time. You see how the way I'm supporting my mama here and there. So you just work so hard. Also, you assist on my side. Also, guys, I support him. You know. And I want to say thank you so much for those people supporting my brother in terms of school fees. May God bless you. You know, without you, my brother could maybe chill outside here, you know, sitting idle, and then he finished Form 4, like no money to go ahead. But right now, God opened the door. My brother is still maybe in school, second year. It's approaching. Okay. Oh guys, to be honest, let me look here. Like that, guys. Me, to be honest, I think guys, you've been watching my videos every day, showing you mama working so hard here and there, and I know outside there people are watching the videos and feel the pain, how my mama working so hard, but one day should be stopping that, maybe working to people's farm. But me, I thank God nowadays mama like reduce so to work. And oh mama rego tukundi kinda harahe kana no tukundi kia hano rero sanga Rusa sanga jandi mborege. Okay mama, take it away. Me, I think, guys, outside there, there is one of my family, one or two, but 100% have good family outside there who feel the pain, guys, with my family, you know. We just came from far and we're going far, guys, by God's grace. So, okay, mama, this is the shopping for you. I think itakupeleka hadi mwezi wangapi maybe?
Mwezi wa 5.
Yeah.
Mpaka wa 10.
I think up to October. All right, it's your own opinion. Me, guys, I'm just asking my mama, this shopping, how long did you take? Mama told me up to October. Right now you are in the month of May, June, July, August, September. Let me say 5 months. Okay, ma'am. And yeah. So ni lini ulikosa hizi vitu kwa nyumba? Wiki zimeisha ngapi?
2.
Wiki 2. Hey guys, me, I'm just asking my mama, how do you like this shopping in your house? Mama told me 2 weeks. And even I shoot the videos when I have some small dollars on my pocket. I went to the market, buying finger meals for making porridge, buying sugar for $1, and they came back. But when God say yes, nobody can say no. At this moment, me, I just pull up very in the morning. My mama, she doesn't have any clue what's going on. Me just go outside there, and then I came back. I surprised my mama. You know, look, it's 24 pieces and it's 1 kg. What up, Savannah? Never kilo ngapi? Savannah never kilo ngapi?
Tukoba vuri 48 burenga. Mbona noboke?
Shina ine.
Ile ni 12.
Kilo moja moja. Ama mbili mbili. Okay, mama, and then this sugar cane, because maybe you wanna say, oh hello baby, what is this? This sugar cane, mom, and all the way from Tanzania, but I bought in Kenya. You know, right now, sukari sasa hivi ya Kenya iko 8,600 na hii iko 6,000. So me, mama, I'm going for 6,800. I'm different on this. Yeah, sugar is sugar. You know, it came from sugar cane. You know, so like just like label Tanzanian sugar, Kenyan sugar, Ugandan sugar, but it has only one taste. Wow, guys. So I'm waiting my brother to come and help you, mom. You know, mom, come, wanakuja. Unajisikiaje sasa hivi?
Vizuri.
Guys, I'm asking mama, how do you feel right now? Because like 2 weeks back, she was struggling with sugar. No, you change. Okay, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And then from this vlog, when I finish up, I'm just heading to the guy who dig this borehole. So last week, my borehole on the ground collapsed, and guys, even I made the videos. You see this all soil that you see here, going around until here. Also up this side here. We try to remove it from the ground, you know. So my borehole on the ground collapsed, and then boom, because it's delicate. So the guy who dig here and then until find water, he said, you wanna give me $40? I dig because I wanna risk my life inside there. I said, okay bro, no problem, as long as you dig, me no idea, you know. So guys, also, birds are here. Yeah, me, I'm the guy who love blue stuff. You see, even my toilet, our toilet, it tells you, look guys, when I'm standing like this, what do you think about, guys, here? Yeah, because blue is shining. And then wow, so I'm waiting my brother because they're keeping delaying inside, so they want to help mama to take those shopping, and then we close the chapter. Wow. So let me see how my mom's kitchen garden are doing, guys. For those people who are saying, oh hello baby, just have the small kitchen garden. Yeah, I have it. And for the real sense, our kitchen garden, they are doing good. Look. You don't know where I can pass and show you, but for this case, you can comment on the comment section, guys. You see, that's the case right here. Also, guys, we have onions. You see these onions, these scales. You see, guys, I'm a good planter, guys. You know, I know how to plant this. When I'm in primary school, this place that you see where the toilet started, going up to that way where there's firewood, this yard here, it's full of kales, full of onions, and my mama tried to sell it and then pays for the school fees, like money exam, you know. In primary school, like in terms of maybe school fees, it's not that much expensive or higher. It's a little bit lower, you know. Maybe per term we pay $5, next time $5. So I said, okay, let me plant kales here, which can help our mom to get maybe the standard living of a day, you know. Mama nakuja. Yes. So Mama's just waiting there, relaxing, you know. When you have the food inside the house, man, nothing is possible. Wow. Me, no time for the haters. No time with haters, guys. I'm telling you, at all the way, positive vibe. So on today's videos, it's surprise my mom. You know, it's long time waiting. That surprise. So right now, God opened the door. No, guys. Also, I support my uncles on this project, man. I'm telling you guys, you know. But I love the fact they put in curtains here. What's happened? It's run from this side here. Wow. Okay, guys. Me right now, I'm just grateful. More grateful, guys. So what I do to my family, it's God who's know. And wherever, guys, you take it, may God add double, you know. So these materials, and it tells you, hello baby, like when the day reach, I'll start. Like no pressure, guys. No pressure. There's a huge trip of the stones here and there. Also, we have blocks here. And guys, keep watching my videos every day and don't skip ads. So technically this month, also I'll surprise you, and I'll make you proud. Also, I'll make your mama to be proud. I want to buy one trip for the blocks, and then I close the chapter, and then I'll start from there. What I have, guys. What I have. Wow, guys. Wow, me, I'm just keeping you on prayers. May God give you longer life, good health, and just keep supporting Hello Baby Official as you can, guys. Please. And if you're watching my videos for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Look, through your support, guys, I managed to have the blocks on the ground. And also, this one is one of my subscriber made it possible to have this stuff on the ground, you know. Mom, thank you so much. May God bless you for your full support that you show me. And also on today's videos, also it's another surprise, guys, by itself. So let me go inside there to see my brother how they're doing. I know most of the people are waiting the day to be calm, and then boom. So guys, to be honest, I don't want to demolish all house down. It's step by step, but I left the house which I'm living right there as a memory, guys, as a memory. Okay, guys, as a memory. Today, like the weather is not like that much good, but we sort out things to be okay. You grab. Look how my bike looks like it. Wow. How do we school? Hey, tallest man in our home. Okay, bro. You grab. Let me see my brother. Wow. Bro, just come and then we help our mom to pick those luggage. Yeah. Nowadays you eat.
No, I don't eat.
Yeah, you eat good.
I'm just okay.
Yeah, nguchandonga. Guys, look. Through you, we have the water tank. We have water right now on the ground. See? There's water, guys. Wow, guys. There's water here. And after finishing these videos, I'm heading to visit one of my friends who dig the borehole. I paid him $40, guys. You know, I'm not like blagging things. You will see, guys. You will see when I'm heading there. Wow. So Okay guys, I'm going to make the payment for the guy who dig for me the borehole. So right now as I speak guys, I'm rushing from this side here. So look at the side, we're heading this way. Guys, comment on the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But from my side are very special, you know. Wow. Okay, there's a driving school right there. We keep moving. Keep moving, doggo. Oh. Hadi wapi?
Hapo. Nenda kote.
Uko job.
Nenda sikia bwana.
Hapa Nyanton. Okay guys, we're still going. I found one of my friends at the back right there. Say hello. Okay. That's shit. Yeah, guys. I'm passing the behind and then boom, the Virongo. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Neil, pick. Wow. Outside there guys, people are driving big machine. One day maybe I will drive, I'm telling you. So unashikia hapa kwa basi yako. So unashikia hapa Nyantonyo hapo. Tuende kwa mwisho. Hapa. Oh. Okay guys. Uko mwisho hapa.
Bila pale nyumbani bwana. Salimia mama bana. Mama bro.
Tonana. Haya, bye. Okay guys. Let's go. Guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and that's the best way you can support Hello People Fish Show. So I'm waiting to check the guy right now. This place have a beautiful place, man. Yeah, fast. You see that one here? It's a very beautiful place. Look, amazing view. We're still moving. So from my home, I'm gonna pass here, heading to the guy home. That's border controller. Wow. On this side here, we have a national school by the name Mwenya Bohansi, you know, naming after the red, our red second president. We're still moving on. So this is the part of Nyabohansi village, man. You know, I'm gonna show you. But the first thing I'll pass to the plumber and then I ask him. Because even yesterday they called by using my Let's move, guys. That's how Japan looks like. I'm telling you. Wow. Let's move. That's how Japan looks like. I promise this guy. Thank you, I'm too happy and to so no legacy.
Montando mera kama seri.
Oh.
Lekt. Ayo ara rakin.
Kam tay ka ternya pirong magi tay sari to aviri mum hay touring. Stay. So they wanna take a control. But you ride slowly. Me, I don't like speed. Okay. Yeah. That's machine. And then I'm still vlogging, man. Yeah. Yeah, we're going this way. Not that way, guys. To go that way. You know. Still moving on. At least right now, the weather is just like conducive, you can see, rather than lunchtime. You know, right now we are in evening time. So the way I take that guy from his home, come to work at my home. So right now I take money, deliver to his home because he works for me. You know. Wow. And Mom, thank you so much for this supporting on this side. Thank you so much. May God bless you a million times. You know, wherever you take it, may God add you down. So this is Luke Rokere Primary School, right here. First time I was studying here when I was a kid. You know, this and that. Yeah, the car grazing. We have school here, man. I'm telling you. My first really school was this one, and then I made grades to the other side because it's far from my home. Walking up this side here. And guys, technically, this is a technical college known as Nyabohansa Technical College, right here. Hey Manu! Fresh! I forgot Kuchin! Yeah guys, I was talking with one of my friends. We shared the name. I'm Emmanuel and also him, he was Emmanuel. Wow. Let's move. This side here, maybe I didn't show you on camera, but right now, this moment, I show you. Zewaraki. Yeah. Heading straight. Try walk up this. Toma here. Can I walk in here? Top of Apocalypse. Hey, what are you? That's napier grass. On this side here, people are purely farmer, guys. Yeah, ma'am. Sure, okay. Wow. Let's move, guys. This video is raw and uncut. You know? So nothing to be hidden behind, guys. Yeah, I'm just Floyd vibe, and then yeah, the way it is. This is a shop within here. They're really developed, man. Wow, I see a nice house on this side right here. I don't know where this place, maybe they intermingle with cameras. Hide. Let's hide. Whoa, that's my bike. Hey, I don't know whether people of this place here need camera. Stairs, kiddo. Nice house, man. I'll build my mama like that one. Whoa, okay. I'm heading down here, guys, but I'm scared. You know, people within this community, whether they like camera or not yet, you know, I wanna give him the money, like $40. You know, $40 in our village here, you can balance our budget, like budget for 1 week. Wow, that's a church within here. Wow. If they allowed me, I'll film them. If they doesn't allow me, you will see it. Because I don't fake things. Like you said, hello baby, I watch your video, and then you remaining behind me. Maize corn right here, you know. Wow. I think just within here. Starbucks. I'm gonna pay him money right now, man. Yeah, take a corn, Hano. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. Just pull up. Odi, Mary, Moari. Here. Okay, guys, I didn't find the guy. I pay his wife. Oh my god. Okay, guys, this is 4,000. Mary, that one is 4,000 here. You know, and then no blacking things. Mary, I think I'm on hands. You want to know that chimbira atako ha mibaka mahemba hai. What I can. Kids are drinking porridge. Right there. So guys, me like no blacking things. You know, I'm just humble and trustful. You know, like no faking things. So, okay, man, you can count this money. Yeah, that's 4,000 Kenyan shillings, guys. See? That's how much? Ngapi?
4,000.
4,000. So when akikuja utampa. Okay, 20. Asante me. Alright. Guys, I just paid the money, so it's my time to go back home. And like nothing to be blagged. Oh, hello baby. Oh. And I love it. Just my friend, guys. So this stone fence was my friend. That's my baby. Okay. Alright guys, we're just going home right now after sold the guy, you know, paying him money, and then it's time to go home. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, and continue that spirit, guys, by watching my videos, comment, share, like, and supporting me. You know, I really appreciate. When I know the hands in the camera too. Hey, wanda ora ikara tui sawa kama ta utu na tembe mimi niko job. Chacho go chacho ari to her kana kyo kore so ya kyo kore Magic. Good morning, guys. Hello. Hey, jam. Get in on the motorbike like that. Okay, let's go. So guys, as you enjoyed this video, give a like. We shall meet on the next video. Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Guys, that's my baby. Through you guys, you're supporting me. I have my baby. Okay, bro, let's go. Yep. That's a Japanese machine. We're on the motorway. Alright, guys. I can't wait to see my mom's dream house. My mama dream house, man. I'm dreaming so hard. But one day my dream will go through. Okay. Okay, let's go. Amen. Kita harus kita ya, mak ini ya kita. Hai. Hold on. Hey, how you are? Tamo very kiran. Okay, guys, I found the owner who dig for me the boat. Okay. Is this one here? Oh, sasa. Simbiga hai mkubwa. Okay, guys, let me show him on camera because I give his wife. Okay, thank you. Yeah, guys, because he has disability, he can't speak, so we use gesture. So I'm telling him I give his wife the money. Okay, bye. So guys, I make sure that I get the guy because they were waiting me here, and then I go to his home, you know. But it's good, I sort things out, so let's go home. Okay, guys, we are on end my video here today. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and I really appreciate. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye.